Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I made this delicious and yummy tilapia grilled fish, do stay tuned and watch this video. So guys, here are the ingredients I'm going to use today. I have some ginger, I have my scotch bonnet pepper, I have my chopped onion, I have my red bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using half of it. And I also have the spices, which are my aromats. I have my fish seasoning. I have some vegetable oil, my curry powder, and some table salt. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to put some marks on my fish. As you can see, it's already cleaned. The skin have been scraped off and is properly cleaned. So I'm just going to put some marks on it so I can add my seasoning inside so it can marinate properly. So I want to use this medium to say a very big thank you to all my old subscribers, and also thank you for you that is just clicking on my video. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much guys. I love you all and I say stay blessed. So at this moment, I'm done putting the marks on the fish. This mark will make the ingredients to penetrate more guys. So right now, I'm just going to throw in my vegetables and all my spice and make sure I blend it properly. So I'm going to add some salt. And I'm also going to use this opportunity to say thank you all for sticking by. Though I've not been posting videos for some time, I say thank you for bearing with me, but I promise you this time I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be uploading every week guys. I'm going to be uploading twice a week, so do stay tuned and make sure you hit on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post new video. And if you've not subscribed yet to my channel, I say please don't forget to hit that red button. It's totally free and support my channel. As you all know, I'm just starting up. I need your love guys. Thank you very much. So right now I'm done. I'm just going to blend it till it's properly smooth. So there you go. I have all my ingredients properly smooth and it tastes very good. If you taste it and you feel that you need more spice, you can add it to it. I tasted it and I was licking this seasoning. Oh my god, I was just licking it before adding it to the fish. It tastes so nice. So right now I'm just going to fill up the seasoning inside the fish and make sure I put a lot so I will have that good taste on my tilapia fish. And also you make sure you just put all the spice inside the fish. Just try as much as possible as you can to pump in all the ingredients inside the fish, because this will make it to give it a very nice taste. So I'm also doing the same thing to the other side of the fish. And guys, when you're using your spice to like season up the fish, do make sure you leave some that you'll be using later to like spread on it while it's on the grill, because you need your tilapia fish to be very soft and juicy. So you need to leave some spice that you'll be using later to marinate it while it's still cooking. So at this moment, I'm done adding the spice. I'm going to leave the leftover so I can use it to marinate it more while it's on the grill. So I'm just going to put it on my grill pan and put it to cook. And I'll make sure I always check on it so it doesn't get burnt. So that's it. And as you can see, I'm so sorry, my oven does not have a light on it, so I'm using the remaining spice to like spicy it more so it will be very soft and juicy. I want it to have a very nice taste, so I'm still marinating it while it's cooking. So guys, that's the end result of this tilapia fish. I'm not going to rant, guys. This fish tastes very nice. Just try this recipe and I bet you're not going to regret it. And please don't forget to drop a comment for me to let me know if you really enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.